Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is April the 14th, 2018, and I have one of my funky pink begonia seedlings here, and it actually bloomed for us today. The flower is a light pink with like paler pink petals and kind of some white in it. It's a frilly flower. I'm not 100% sure if it really looks like the picture. I'm hoping it changes some when it goes outside. I'll have to see. But I just wanted to show you what it looks like. Okay, so I actually just stumbled onto this one here. Apparently, the more sunlight they get, the darker the pink color is. So, that explains why the other one doesn't look that dark pink. So this is another flower, and it's getting a lot more light, and it's a lot darker pink. So this is more of the color I was going for. So if you live like in the cooler areas, it might be able to take more sun. I'll have to see this year. If you live in the hotter areas, I probably would not put it out in full sun, because it would probably scorch the leaves, and we don't want to do that. So it's going to be an experiment this year to see what you can do with this one and what it looks like in different types of lighting, or how much light it gets. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.